No more squeaky chair. You're welcome. This section of the body's done. I just have to make one more filler panel down here, so it's not done. The fender's completely done, and all I've got to do is fill the hole where the seatbelt bracket was, where it rusted out, and finish the door. And this side is done. Now we can move to the other side. I did get the steel for my sliders, sitting right over here. It probably wouldn't be a really compelling shot, so I haven't videoed it yet. Maybe I'll just cut that in right here. Once this side is finished, I'm going straight to the other side. I'm not building sliders until that side's done and I can turn the truck around. The front of the garage here is not as spacious as the back. There's a little half wall. But to get between the tire and the wall, it's a little tight. It's doable, but there's also not much room in front of the truck. There might be 2.5, 3 feet in front of the truck. So it would be nice to flip it around. Then again, if this was a race car, it would be no problem, but it sure shit ain't no race car, is it? And then I've got this pole in the way, which A is in the way of filming, B is in the way of working, C, it's visually unappealing. I have the 2 doors instead of the one nice door in the garage, so you know, you make do with what you've got. I'm doing a lot in this garage. I have a bigger garage than some people, you know, and half the size of the garage of another person. So we all play the hands we're dealt. So